How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to remove yourselves as an admin on a Facebook page. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, but because of or metas, whatever you want to call it, because of their weird interface, it's very hard to navigate through the options uh, on a screen, or let's say if you're a page admin, or even on like the homepage or the newsfeed, whatever you want to call it, it's kind of hard to find your way around. That's why I'm creating this video to help you guys out. So, assuming that you guys are an admin on a Facebook page and you would want to remove yourself as an admin, here's what you need to do. So, for the purpose of this video, I made a John Doe and I made a dummy page to show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to switch over to that page right now. So it's actually Batman Arkham fans. So I used this one as an example because I'm a fan of the game. So as you can see here, I've switched over to uh, this profile where I'm a page admin. So this is normally what it would look like. And to actually visit our page, you would want to click on the page link. Normally, it would be on your shortcuts, and by default, it would, uh, what do you call it? It would input itself in this category right here. But anyway, I digress. So one way is to click on this, or you can click on pages to see which pages you're an admin on. So in this case, let's click on pages and click on Batman Arkham fans. And as you can see here, here's the very stupid interface that Facebook has. It's just very hard to navigate or find your way around here. As you can see, you can easily get lost and whatnot. So, oh, is it in privacy? Is it in linked accounts or whatever? Is it here in reaction preferences? Well, no. Um, so where you guys actually need to go is here. Hold on. So if you guys find yourselves on the page, you want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen, like so, and you want to click on Professional Dashboard. Now here, normally you would think that there's an option that says Manage Admins, right? Unfortunately, there isn't one. So what you guys actually need to do here is you want to click on Page Access right here. Now, as you can see, it will Facebook will then list all of the admins for that page. So currently it's just me. So what you guys want to do is you want to click on the three ellipses right here next to the person or the admin's name, and there should be an option to remove access. And you can do this to yourself for your own account, or if you're a super admin for a page, you can remove someone else as an admin. And yeah, that's it. So that's how you actually remove yourself as an admin on a Facebook page. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.